Hello friends, welcome. Today, we are going to create a stunning PowerPoint presentation. Please subscribe for more creative PowerPoint tutorial. First, go to the Insert tab, select the icon option. Then choose the icons that were needed for your presentation. Let's select the icons that we and select the Insert option. Then do some small arrangements. Then right-click the mouse and choose the Format Background Color and change the color into light blue in color. Then select all the icons using Shift key and go to the shape format. Then change the color into white. Next, insert a text box and fill with 1 and resize the text. Now arrange and duplicate the text box. Then change the numbers in it. Then insert a new slide. Now go to the Insert tab and select the shape icon. Then choose the rectangular shape. Then insert as I am doing. Duplicate it using Ctrl+D. Then arrange as I am. Now go to the Insert tab and select the Shape menu. There choose the triangle shape and insert, then arrange as I am. Now, select all and go to the shape format and remove the outline. Now, select the each shape and color it as I am doing. Then, again select all and remove the outline. Go to the previous slide and change the color of the text box. Now copy and paste them in the next slide. Do the same for all the cards. Make sure that the rectangle and triangle shape colors are same. Now, go to the Insert tab and insert a text box and fill your content within it. Then duplicate the text box and arrange it to all the cards. Then choose the each card and its related item and group together. Do it to each of the cards. Then duplicate the slide. Now choose the previous slide and do like I am arranging. Now insert a text box and fill the text for the intro page. Then arrange it properly. Finally, go to the transition and choose Morph Transition. Friends, our stunning presentation is ready. Check out the playlist to know more creative PowerPoint design. Leave a comment from your side. Thank you.